What is going on, guys? This is Asim Arif, and today we are gonna talk about the recovery of a Facebook account which is disabled due to not following Facebook's community standards. This is the most awaited video on my channel. I asked everybody through community post and maximum people were saying upload this video immediately. So today I decided to make this video, and guys, as usual you will see the live proof in this video, so watch this video till end, and my only request is please share it with all your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit the red subscribe button, press the notification bell and select all to stay updated with all my new videos. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, firstly you will need to download this browser. Its link is given below in the description of this video, so download it from there and then install it in your device. After that, open it and go to facebook.com. And guys, if you are using iPhone, then you can use Safari or Chrome browser, okay? And then simply log in your account here. Guys, please note the email address. It is rabarumanadir@gmail.com. You will need to remember this email address till the end of the video because I will show you the live proof. And then after tapping the password, I will log in this account. And guys, now you can see here that this account has been disabled, and the reason showing here is that your account or activity on it didn't follow our community standards. Now I want to clear some points here. You can only get your account back if your account was disabled by mistake. Means you really didn't violate any community standard of Facebook, like you were using your Facebook as usual, and then meanwhile you were blocked from posting and commenting, and then after some time you got your account disabled, or your account was stuck in the security check but you didn't complete that, and then after some days your account was disabled. If these are the cases, then definitely you are going to get your account back. But if your account is disabled due to severe violations of Facebook's community standards, then there is less chance of getting any response from the Facebook team. I hope you understood now. And the account that I'm going to recover in this video is disabled by mistake, so there is chance of getting response from the Facebook team. So now let's get back to the video. Here guys, you can see that I'm not getting any appeal form to submit. Now if I tab on go to community standards, then the community standards page will be opened, but here there is no appeal form to submit my appeal. Now if I go back and log out the account, now we need appeal form to submit, so I will tab on forgotten password, then search here your disabled account by the email address. Then tab on FAQ page here. Now scroll down and tab on let us know. You can also see an option of contact us here, so tab on it. So guys, now we have got our appeal form to submit, but when I will try to submit my documents here, then you can see that I am getting an error message, sorry something went wrong. So it means this appeal form is not working for this type of account. So now what we have to do next, you will need to go to the description of this video, and there you will find this form. So simply copy this form from there and then go back to your browser and paste it in the URL section and then search it. Then you will be redirected to this form. Report a please send money scam. Use this form if your account was disabled due to potential money transfer scam. Now our account is not disabled due to this reason, but as all the other appeal forms are not working for this type of account, so we will use this form to reach Facebook. So now fill out this form. Here type the full name as it is mentioned in your disabled account. details don't match with your account, then you are not going to get your account back. So I'm going to submit my documents. Now wait for some time so that our document get uploaded properly. And then simply tap on the send button at the top right corner of the screen. Now we need to send another email, so again tap on this compose button and send an email to case@sport.facebook.com. I am fast forwarding the video here because we are doing the same process. Again in the subject section type my personal account was disabled. Then paste the same appeal here. Attach your documents. We also need to send an email to help@sport.facebook.com, so we will send these two emails simultaneously like I am doing here. And then simply tap on the send button at the top right corner of the screen. Now we need to send the last email, so if you have any mail received from the Facebook team before, just go to that mail and then tap on this reply button and remove all this text. It doesn't matter either you received an unlocked mail or the rejected documents mail, you just need to go to the reply section of that mail, because sometimes we receive an unlocked mail from the Facebook team but still our account remained disabled. Like this person received an unlocked mail 5 days before but still his account was disabled. So you just need to go to any mail received from the Facebook team related to your disabled account and then again paste the same appeal and attach your documents here. And then simply tap on the send button. And now the process is completed successfully. Now we need to wait for an email from the Facebook team. Let me show you the time here. So guys, you can note the date and time here. I will be back when I will receive an email. So guys, I am back after 4 days and I have just received an email from the Facebook team, which you can see here. You can see it is the same email address rabromannadir@gmail.com and I have received an unlocked mail. But before showing you that, I wanted to show you the rejected mail which I received from the Facebook team 4 days before. Hi, we are currently unable to confirm who owns this account. Then I went to the reply section of that mail and I wrote this appeal. Dear Facebook DBO team, your automatic security system is unable to confirm my identity. Please verify my information manually. After that, I wrote the account details and attached the document and sent it to Facebook team. Then I waited for a few days but there was no reply from the Facebook team. Then what I did next, I will explain it now. I edited the document. Okay, there was some fault with the document, so I edited it using the built-in phone editor. You can also use your built-in phone editor. You don't need to download any third-party application. And if there is some darkness in your documents, then you need to increase the brightness level and also increase the contrast level a little bit, and then also increase the highlight level so that the text appeared in the documents get clear. And when the document get ready, save it in your smartphone. And after that, I downloaded an application whose name is VPN One. You can see here, it is the VPN One application. Its link is also given below in the description of this video, so you can get it from there. And it's also available for iOS users, so they can get it from the App Store. And then tap on select country. And then you need to select the Singapore country from this given list and then tap on this turn on button. And then after connecting the VPN to Singapore, I wrote a new appeal which you can see here, and then I sent this appeal in reply of that rejected mail. And I attached the edited documents with this mail and then I sent it to Facebook team. And then after sending this mail, within 3 hours I received an unlocked mail from the Facebook team, which you can see here now. Hi, it looks like your account was suspended by mistake. I am so sorry for the inconvenience. If you have any issues getting back into your account, please let me know. Thanks. So guys, now our account is successfully recovered. I will also show you the proof by going to facebook.com. And now we will log in that account here. You can note that it is the same email address rabramanazit@gmail.com, and then after I will type the password for this account, and then we will log in this account. Boom guys, our account is successfully recovered. You can see here I am successfully logged into my Facebook account. You can also see the notifications which I received from the Facebook, and now you can see here that this account is successfully recovered. Now to make you more satisfied, I will also show you the email address by going to the settings. So guys, now let's move towards the settings of this account. I will refresh the page once. Then I will go to personal information, then contact info. So guys, now you can see here that it is the same email address which was associated with the disabled account. So guys, now I hope you are satisfied, and this was all about today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Catch you in the next video. Till that, goodbye.